Yeah, in this video we will be learning different levels of heading. Now first is this is the heading tag. Heading tag is the largest heading level, followed by heading 2. Heading 2 is the uh, slightly smaller than heading 1. Heading 3 also is smaller than heading 2. Heading 4 is smaller than heading 1, 2 and 3. H5 smaller than H1, 2, 3 and 4, and H6 is the smallest of all. So this is all the heading sets starting from H1 to H6. Now let's see how the coding looks like. So these are the different level of heading. H1 is the largest, H2 is the smallest to H1, then H3 is the smallest, H4, H5 and H6. So in this way your heading level look likes. So these are the heading tag in the HTML starting from H1 to H6. And then we will be learning after heading level. The bold, italic and underline tag. Now how it goes on, I'll just write here HR tag. So it will create one line, horizontal line, so it will be easier for me to teach you other stuff. Learn HTML with us. I'll just write over here everything in capital. Learn HTML with us. Now let's say I want HTML, learn HTML with us will look like a simple text. Now I want HTML in bold, so B tag open, B tag close. Click on save. Let's look. Learn HTML in with us. So HTML is little bit like in bold. Now we'll use another tag, that is width. I tag open, I tag close, that is italic. Let's see. You can see it's in slant, it is in italic. Now I want HTML with us in underline. So you can write here before HTML U tag open, and here at the end U tag, that is underline tag close. Control S. You can see HTML with us in underline. So in that we had covered bold, italic and underline. Now we'll use subscript and superscript. Now let's say I'm writing over here. I'll first make a HR line over here, so it will be easy to distinguish. Now I have written in paragraph A2 plus B2 plus 2AB paragraph tag close. Now how it looks like. Okay, now it is looking in square. It should not look in square. Yeah, it is not looking in square. We want A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now how we will do it? It's very simple. Now I want 2 above the A, so before 2 I will just write subscript, and after 2 I will write sup close. So 2 will be above A, and then B square. So before 2 subscript, and here so B close. Now control S. Now you can see using subscript A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now we'll use the example of the another, okay, that is H2O. This chemistry formula we will use. Make one HR tag, so one line will be created. So this is PH2O. Now I want, okay, 2 should be down. So here SUB sub, and here SUB sub close, Control S, F5. Paragraph was not written properly. Yeah. So H2O has come. So here you have learn, okay, subscript. Now we will be learning, that is the list, order list, unordered list, and division list, DL list. Now how it goes on. Again after this, okay, I'll create one. Horizontal line. Yeah, again had created an horizontal line. Now in heading 1 I have written programming language. In order list, okay, I have written, okay, list of item. Always in the order list or unordered list of item is there. So in list of item I have written, okay, all the programming languages courses. C language, list of item open, list of item close. Then again C++, in list of between list of item C++, list of item close. Now Java language, okay, list of item open and list of item close, and then OL open and OL close. So how it looks like. So in this way it look like. Programming language by default, okay, 1 2 3 has come. Now this is the order list. Now order list also has a type. Now order list type of A. So instead of 1 2 3, okay, it will come in A B C. Now here let's say I have written OL type is equal to A, Control S, refresh. Now it has come in ABC. Now OL type is equal to I, so it will come in Roman number. Just replace A by I, Control S. Now it has come in Roman number 1, like Roman number 1, Roman 2, Roman number 3. Now you will be learning, okay, unordered list. Just erase this. Now instead of OL put it UL, and here instead of OL make it UL. Now let's see how it looks like. So okay, it has come, okay, by default, okay, in bullets. Now UL also has a type, okay. Now UL type is equal to square. So if you want, okay, something in square, you can make it in square also. UL type is equal to square. So now let's see how it looks like. Yeah, so here you can see in squares. Again put, now the last one, okay, that is data list, DL tag, then DT and DD tag. I'll just put, okay, HR before that. Yeah, so this is the HR tag, the horizontal line will come. Data list, in that, okay, data terms are there. Data terms defines the data definition. So this will be the define, okay, and this is the explanation of definition. So now how it looks like, just we will see. So this is the, okay, the definition, and this is the explanation of definition. So here you will be learning, okay, all the tags, okay, I have explained you. I'll just give you a recap, okay. We have done the heading, okay, then we have, okay, done bold, italic and underline tag, then we have done, okay, superscript and subscript, and then we have done, okay, order list, and then types of order list, then we have done unordered list and types of unordered list, and then we have done okay DL tag, DT and DD tag. Hope okay you have understood the program. If you have any query, you can always ask.